Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can loop your video in Capcut PC. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, drop this video a like. Okay, step number 1, drag the video that you would like to loop onto Capcut PC's timeline. Step number 2 is to add a cut by clicking B. In this case, I've added a cut right here. Again, I click B on the keyboard and it adds a cut, and then click A to deselect. So this is the portion where I want to loop the video because the person is running. Okay, so here's going to be the hard part. So at this portion right here, if I extend, you can see the person still running, but they stop. I'm going to add a cut right here by clicking B, click A to deselect, and then I'll click delete. But if you don't want to do that and you just want this to loop, and basically you want to get this, click Control C and then click Control B, and then basically it will paste the video, or Control V. And now as you can see now that was not a loop. So basically for this clip, or the clip you want to use, you want this so his foot lands right here. And as you can see, that's not where it is. So we're going to get it right there. So we're going to cut, A to deselect, delete, and now if we drive this to the left, that actually doesn't look too bad. Hey, and that's how you loop the video in Capcut PC. If you want, you can click the audio, click right here and drag it down. Then this is what this is. It's almost a seamless loop. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.